Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of XAZE screen guard for Ambrane Wise EON Smartwatch. So I have purchased this for 137 rupees from Flipkart. So right now it is available for 169 in Flipkart. It comes with two pieces. So it is a very ordinary basic product. It comes with one wet wipes and one dry wipes. Use you should use this if you have nothing to use as a skin protector. And I think at this price point in online, all these products are similar. No better product is available. At least it will protect the skin of your smartwatch from scratches actually. So after applying one of the skin guard first time, I was so irritated I rip it off and throw in the dustbin. But I am using the second one and it actually protects the skin from small damage and scratches. So you should use this. Because at this price point there is no better alternatives are available in online, and offline I did not search, so I cannot comment. Also the smart watch displays 2.5D curved glass, and this is a flat tempered glass, so there will be gap on all the sides and dust will be accumulated there. So let me show you how to install this quickly. So you can check this out if you need any skin guard for your smartwatch.